welcome you all on the occasion of a webinar entitled National Intellectual Property Awareness Program, organized by PG Department of Chemistry under the aegis of Institutions Innovation Council of Meherchand Mahajan DAV College for Women, Sector 36, Chandigarh, in collaboration with Government of India, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Office of Controller, General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks. On behalf of Honorable Principal Ma'am and President IIC, Dr. Nisha Bhargava, Vice President IIC, Dr. Indu Arora, Convener IIC, Dr. Neetu, Head of PG Department of Chemistry, Dr. Shifali Dhiman. I take this opportunity to extend a very warm welcome to our esteemed speaker, Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh, Examiner of Patents and Designs, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, on the online portals of Meherchand Mahajan DAV College for Women, Sector 36, Chandigarh. This college, it was established by DAV College Managing Committee, New Delhi in the year 1968 to commemorate the meritorious services rendered by Justice Meherchand Mahajan, the former Chief Justice of India, to uh, uh, provide services in the field of higher education, law and administration. This is one of the best institutions in the country and enjoys peerless reputation in the field of higher education and has remained ahead of times with its innovative pedagogies, infrastructure and under the able guidance of our visionary leader, Dr. Nisha Bhargava. Today's program has been organized as a part of National Intellectual Property Awareness Mission under the initiative of the government's 75th Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav to raise awareness among the masses about the patents, copyrights, designs and trademarks and how they are impacting our daily lives. This program has been organized by PG Department of Chemistry under the aegis of Institutions Innovation Council of our college. The Institutions Innovation Council of this college is working under the guidance of Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, which has been established by Government of India to systematically foster the culture of innovation among the higher institutions by conducting such activities such as webinars, workshops, etc. on IPR. Before proceeding with the session, it gives me immense pleasure to give a brief introduction of our speaker, Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh, for the event. Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh, he is an examiner of patents and designs, Indian Patent Office, New Delhi, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. He is a doctorate in chemistry from IIT Delhi and holds a master's degree in chemistry from IIT Delhi. He has published several research publications both in national and international journals and has written many book chapters as well. He has visited to Samara State University, Russia and National University of Singapore as a research scientist. After this, he joined the Indian Patent Office, New Delhi, and continuing as an examiner of patents and designs till date. Sir, once again, I extend a very warm welcome to you on the portals of this college. We are very delighted to you that you have accepted our invitation and spared your valuable time to enlighten our students with your words of wisdom. I invite you to begin with the today's event. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the introduction,
Thank
and
you.
good morning to the all the faculty member and student. So here is slide is visible. Everyone, anyone, please confirm. Anyone, please confirm. Slide is visible to all of you.
No, sir.
Yes, sir, now it is visible.
Slide is not visible. Okay. 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 Once again, I am sharing it. Now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is the IPR awareness program under the National Intellectual Property Awareness Mission, which was launched by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. So here we discuss basically about the intellectual
So
property.
your voice is cracking. Probably some internet issue. Probably check it your end.
So first question is the what is the property?
Wait for a moment, student. Probably the speaker is joining. Maybe some internet issues.
Is a slide is visible? Anyone please confirm?
No, sir.
No, no.
Slide is not visible?
Yes.
Yeah, it's visible.
And
It's
now it is
visible
visible.
now. Now it is visible.
Okay, I think so. So this intellectual property you have here. Listen this slide. What is
Dr.
the
Manoj,
intellectual
please,
property?
sorry to interrupt you. We want to have a group photograph.
Yes, ma'am.
I request all the participants to turn on their videos. All the faculties and students, please turn on their cameras for a group photograph.
So so on the basis of the creation of your mind, intellectual property is divided into the 5 types:
Thank you,
patent,
students.
design, trademark, geographical indication, and copyright. Okay. So is I am audible to everyone? Please confirm.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So first is the this is the we understand that this is single product, which are a single product. How this single product is protected? The 4 type of intellectual property. This is the Apple laptop. So which part of the this Apple laptop is protected through the patent? This LED display is this is a technological advancements which are protected through the patent. Similarly, body of laptop is protected through the design, and Apple sign which make the goodwill of this particular product is protected through the trademark, and user manual that give a unique way to operate this particular laptop which are protected through the copyright. Okay. So how this intellectual property is converted into intellectual property right? Okay. So when anything creation of your mind by using resources and labor work, whatever you get the product, that particular product is protected by legally. Okay. Then this intellectual property is converted into the intellectual property right. Okay. So first is the patents. What is the patents? On the basis of, so it is a exclusive right to prevent third party from manufacturing, using, importing and selling. Okay. It gives basically this is negative right, which is right to stop other by using your invention. Similar kind of the physical property, just like you register any bike, so any third person cannot use illegally. So here is also any third person cannot use your product by taking your permission. So patents is given for basically for 20 years. You give a monopoly right. Okay. And third most important thing is that it is a territorial right. Okay. If what is the meaning of the territorial right? If you file patent in India, means it is applicable only in India. Okay. If you want to file some other country, then you need to file separately. Okay. And each country, it is a 20 years term which are decided by the WTO. Okay. And that is from the priority date wherever you disclose first time the your patent application. So similarly, what are the patentable subject matter? So anything, product or process. Okay. What is the product? Any article, apparatus, machinery product or its component. Okay. Any pharmaceutical product. So example, mobile phone, COVID vaccine, drone, 3D printer. These are the category of the product. So these are, and similarly any process, any method of making composition, any process, manner or art of manufacturing. Like what is the self-driving is a process, 5G technology, Bluetooth, gene editing. These are the process. So on the basis of creation of mind, which are the any invention which are belongs to any product or process, most important 3 terms. If your invention have any technological advancement or any significant improvement or economical beneficial, these 3 terms are very important. Okay. So if any of these things have in your product or process that are then it is called as a separate invention or new invention. Okay, and it is the patentable subject matter. So to get any final product, there are so many small steps, or there are so many small improvement. So each small improvement or each technological advancement which have their industrial use, okay, so that are the called as separate invention and new invention, and that are the patentable subject matter. Okay, here see the one example why any invention is important for our life. Okay, so these are the traffic light which are the patented in 1923 by Garrett A. Morgan. They have just invented this traffic light after witnessing a terrible accident between a car and horse carriage, and this particular invention is still make our life safer. So this is the very good example how innovation make our life safer. Here are some more example to understand how any significant improvement or technological advancement, okay, and means generate the extra revenue. Okay, so this see the very small stapler. Okay, this is the patent in US in 1944. We still using it. Okay, and this is the lamp, lamp invention, but this is the lamp base. There are the technological advancement to the hold this particular bulb, which are patented in 1890 by the US. Now see this third example and fourth. See, third is a hairpin by holding a glass, patented in 1890. Okay, similarly same hairpin, what is the work of hairpin? To hold the hair. Okay, so same hairpin means fine object is the work function is there same. Okay, but see the US has patented the hairpin 1890, and 2021 also got the hairpin patented in US. So see what are the advancement? There are the technological advancement. So with the small technological advancement, that is called the separate invention, and it can be patentable. So we need to understand where is the significant improvement, technological advancement, economical cheaper. If anything is this, then it is called the separate invention and it qualify for the patents. Similarly, here some is the accidental patents. This is the popsicle, how generate the extra revenue. This popsicle brand Frank Emerson filed 1924 for the patent that frozen confectionery is invented just by accidentally. He just mix the salt, sugar and water, and in very cold night in his just lawn, and forget. In the morning he say that that particular salt, sugar and water with the stick that frozen. So they get idea, and that particular things has the protected with the name the popsicle, and that brand is so much popular. And finally in 1989 Unilever company, that they buy with $150 million rupees to given this popsicle brand, just buy the popsicle brand. So invention, we can say the intellectual property are our future assets, which can generate so much revenue with respect to the physical property. Similarly, this shoes is a unique shoes. Anyone, I think you can get this is shoes belongs to a famous dancer, Michael Jackson, which makes the flexible and hold this particular shoe at up to 45 degrees, which make their dance the unique. Okay, so that particular product is also patented. Similarly, sixth sense technology, okay, and drones. The how much this time drone is beneficial for the interior area to supply the medicine. Okay, in photography, to just capture the photography. Okay, so very much easy. In cricket match you can see very closely they can capture the photographs. Okay, so this is the importance of the, so anything, any product or process with technological advancement, any technological advancement, significant improvement, there is efficacy, okay, there is the economical significant, then it qualify for the patentable, and that is called the separate invention. Okay, So what is the second intellectual property is the design. Okay, so design basically given for the aesthetic aspect, which are simply just only by the eye. There are a small pattern on the bed sheet. Okay, you see that Bombay dyeing, they have written their design number, so they have protected their design by registering this particular design in the patent in the intellectual property office. Similarly, some attractive toys. Okay, these toys which attract the children. Okay, if go they market going their market, then they can buy this, no this toy, this cartoon toys. Okay, so this particular design is protected through the design trademark, and they get the extra revenue. Okay, with this. And ring, if you go in the jewelry shop, okay, when you automatically say that this design is not good, this design is not good. Okay, so by comparing same amount of gold, which one is good design, then jewel shop say that you pay extra 500 rupees for this particular design. Okay, so they protected this small things also protected through the design. Here one I have given Tobler one chocolate. This is the very good example. This particular, just like Apple laptop is protected through the 4 type of intellectual property, this chocolate is protected 5 type of intellectual property. Okay, so which part of chocolate is protected through the patents? Their composition. Okay, their composition is a product. Okay, that particular is protected through the patent, and their unique design is protected, registering the design. Okay, that Tobler one is a brand which are protected through the trademark. And that hill is a place in a Switzerland that protected, they protect through copyright. And that particular place, this chocolate is represent that particular place. Okay, that hill is the is a fixed place, so that is also protected through the GI tag. Okay, so here not only big thing, very small things on the bottle pattern, small pattern which make the product unique. Okay, so which can you can identify by seeing the bottle which product is in this bottle. So this unique pattern on the bottle, different pattern will looks the bottle very good, looking beautiful or good. So this small pattern is also protected through the design intellectual property. Okay, similarly here some more toys, school bus. Okay, with a bat making some animals figure, and this pen. Okay, this sharpener, and this mobile phone with the cartoon. Okay, so these unique design. Okay, these all are protected through the patent. So if I ask you a pen, which part of the pen is protected through the patents and which part of the pen is protected through the design, so you can easily identify. The ink of the pen is the composition, is a product which are protected through the patents. And the outer look of the pen is a unique, which pen is look very good, so that is protected through the design. And the tip where is the release of the ink is a, that is the technological advancement. Okay, that is also protected through the patents. The third intellectual property is the trademarks. Okay, what is the trademarks? So trademark basically is given word, name, any symbol. Okay, to identify and distinguish the source of goods or service. Why you need to register any name or your symbol or word through the trademark? It builds goodwill and reputation in the market, which give you extra revenue. Okay, similarly see, these are the symbols. See, M symbol, just this M symbol belongs to which company? So you all know that this the MACD, and this their work is the they give very good burger. Okay, so if you go to any thelawala and burger ask them, then they said the 10 rupees burger. Okay, and if you go to MACD and then burger, then they give the 40 rupees burger. So there are the extra revenue. And you know that what if I go to this particular on street shop, then what quality of burger get. If I go to this M symbol shop, then what quality of the burger I get. So similarly here the Coca-Cola, Puma, okay, Google, Nike, Adidas in the market, so many shoes with the name AB Bass. Okay, if you go to buy AB Bass shoes, then you get 500 rupees. Okay, Adidas shoes is 5,000 rupees. So they make their goodwill and reputation in the market by protecting their name with the trademark. Similarly, I give you some very easy examples. Someone open a coaching center, okay, and they teach is a unique way and make a reputation in the market, okay, and protected through the coaching name is protected through the trademark. So someone if come in the market and they want to use just your coaching name, okay, some other means some other city. So if you protected your coaching name with this trademark, then they need to pay just for using your coaching name, okay. Similarly now you see that study IQ one coaching, they say they sell their name to Adda 24/7 one coaching by rupee 150 million rupees 150 million rupees. So see the importance of the trademark with respect to the revenue. Okay, so trademark registration is the optional, but you I think understand why registration has the advantage. Okay, it can be renewed for the indefinite type. Similarly, just like patent is the for 20 years, design actually for the 10 years, and you can extend for 5 years, okay, renewed further. So maximum 15 year for the design, and similarly this trademark is you can renew for the indefinite time. Similarly, fourth intellectual property is the copyright. So anything you write, just it is your automatic right. Okay, so any author, painter, sculpture, architecture, musician, okay, so these are subject matter or the copyright. Like why choose copyright importance, choose the way his or her copyrighted work are made available to the public, prevent unauthorized copying and reproduction. Okay, so what is the most important thing for the copyright? Copyright cannot protect an idea. So okay, so if anything you have idea or you may, that must be in the real world, okay, in any document format. Okay, it cannot be only in your mind. Okay, so that must be exist in a real world. That is the most important, or I can say that is the most important thing to get a copyright. So subject matter, any literary work, you write down any story, okay, poem, anything, just like in OTT platform nowadays, literary work so much demanding. Any movie or any short movie make by using, then you can get the revenue. Similarly, dramatic work. In drama, so many step. So any step you change, and that make the drama is unique. So that particular change is also you can protect through the copyright. Similarly, sound recording work, artistic work, copyright. Musical work, cinematographic film, okay, so these all are the protected through the geographical indication. Okay, so indication, geographical indication means bhaugolic chin. Okay, so what is the, this is the just like Darjeeling tea. Okay, this is the represent a particular area, okay, which give a unique, makes their unique tea by because their physical temperature, pressure, or physical environment is the key for that particular taste. Okay, so they if you go to the market and buy simple tea 100 rupees kg, Darjeeling tea 400 rupees kg. So because Darjeeling tea have the GI tag. If you want to grow Darjeeling tea in Delhi, then that taste is not come because that particular environment is not available here. Similarly, Makrana marble, okay, that marble only available in Makrana, which are in Rajasthan. Then food sector are also Ratlami save. There who make Ratlam in Madhya Pradesh is a place that who make this particular Ratlami save, they have the unique taste. Okay, so that particular product also get the GI tag. Kanchipuram silk, okay, that is the famous for the Kanchipuram, which are in Tamil Nadu. Okay, GI. Similarly, Maghi Pan, Madhubani painting of Bihar. Okay, and Alfonso mango, Sahi Lichi of Bihar. That all product Kashmir saffron that represent the particular place in a on the basis of their the physical. So anything, any product which represent a particular area that is qualified for the GI tag. But the most important thing is the with respect to all four type of like patent, design, trademark, copyright. GI tag is different because GI tag is not registered for a individual person. Okay, that is a particular area. Okay, but patent, design, trademark, copyright can take any individual person. So some most important point you need to remember for the patents, basically for the patent. So first file and then publish. So if you want to anything patent, then you need to first file in the patent office, then only you publish anywhere. Okay, either in the YouTube or in journal paper. Just you file in any form, 2 page write down in provisional form, just inform to the patent office that I am working on this and this I get, and then you publish anywhere. Okay, and if you provisional file, then you get the 12-month time to file the complete. I will discuss later how to about filing. So just remember, first file to the patent, any patent office, and then publish. And it is a territorial right. No any misconception that if I file India, then it is applicable in the world, in whole world. So if you file in India, it is applicable only for India. So here I have given some searching platform where you search that your invention have significant improvement or any technological advancement or any improvement. So there are some freely available site. Okay, Google patent, patent scope by World Intellectual Property, eSpaceNet by European Patent Office, USPTO by US, and one is IP India. These all are the freely available search databases where you can search by using the keyword related to your invention and get the patent, and then compare that which step your invention is a have a significant improvement or any technological advancement. Okay, so if that product is also industrial, then your product is also industrial use. So only you need to focus on these three things: technological advancement, significant improvement, or any economical significance. So you consider the separate invention and file for the patents. And importance of IP and economy, you just I given the example how much you can generate the extra revenue with respect to the physical property, just like any intellectual property is a future assets. So for the research scholar, just here is the how to understand the writing of patent application or drafting of patent. So you need to just focus on the some include the patent literature in the research, so you can understand the how to write a patent application. Okay, so here is the some important things. Just like I already said, the patent is the for 20 years, design 10 plus 5 year depend upon renewal, trademark is for indefinite time, GI tag is also for the indefinite time, copyright is for the lifetime of the author plus 60 years on the depend upon the renewal. Okay, so who can apply? Any person can apply for patent, design and trademark and copyright. Okay, only GI any individual person cannot file. Okay, or any legal representative. So you need to the general power of attorney if any your representative comes. So any firm, partnership, small entity and corporate. So now what is the, so these are the basic information about the patent, design, copyright, trademark and GI tag. So I think you easily identify that if I something I think or creation of your mind, so which type of creation of mind you can approach for registering or for patent or design, trademark, copyright or GI tag. So I think you can easily identify. So here is the some patent application filing. So if anything you want to file for the patent, if you have any invention and want to file the patent, then basically you need to uh, form 1, fill the form 1, where you need to give the detail of application like title, inventor name, okay, applicant name, some basic details. Okay, form 2 is the need about complete, is just like you write down any paper, there are the abstract, okay, there is the introduction part. So here is the this sequence, you need to write down title, then background of invention, then particular of drawing, then brief description of drawing, brief description of invention, then claim, then abstract, and then drawing. So with a application fee you get a 30 pages free and 10 claims. Okay, and form 3 detail, if you have any foreign filing, then you need to give the on form 3, and if you does not have any other country filing, then just fill the form 3 with not applicable. Okay, and then upload it. Similarly, form 5 declaration, as in if your college is an applicant, then need to file a form 5 with the declaration from the inventor. Okay, similarly, form 18 request for the examination, which will you need to file within 48 months from the filing of the first filing of the your application. Okay, so here are the fee structure. So now government have given 80% rebate. Okay, in 2021, in this category educational institution also included. So in 2021, okay, so now any natural person, any startup, any small entity, okay, any educational institution, okay, which are the funded by any state government, central government, or they have any PSU. Okay, so any type of the educational institution, okay, they are qualified for the in category of natural person. So which fee, application fee is the 1600 fee. Okay, with this 30 pages and 10 claim, and form 18 is the 4000. So total cost is the 5600 rupees. And for any company only, this fee is the only for the company 8000, apply 20,000. Okay, so fee is already given 80% rebate, and so much fee with respect to physical product. If you go to any bike registration, I think more than 5600 you need to pay. So fee is now so much reduced by the government. So here is the filing. Now initially everything is online filing. You just need to go to IP India website, and there you need to make login ID by using digital signature. There are guideline also uploaded how to you create the digital signature and how you can sign in or sign up. There are all guideline are available. So just make the your login ID and just everything from your institution, from your home. Okay, you can just upload the all the related forms, and fee the pay by any debit card, credit card. Okay, and no need to go to any office. Okay, so these are the first page of the login ID page. Okay, and one is expedited examination is also coming in the patent office. Is qualify any startup company can file expedited application. What is the expedited application? That if you file any application under category of expedited, you need to just fee just double of the that normal fee. Okay, double, just like 5600, so 11200 total fee for in case of expedited. And who qualify for expedited application? Any startup, small entity. If any applicant is a female, okay, then your application is qualified for expedited application. Department of government, any government establishment, institution. Okay, if India you choose as an international search authority, there are the PCT application provision. Okay, from there you can go multiple country. Okay, so if you India there, if you file also in international search PCT application, and in India choose as an international search authority, then also it qualify for expedited. and if any agreement between the Indian Patent Office or foreign, this is not applicable for you. So basically, in case of expedited application, if you file, then within 30 months, oh, not 30 days, okay, within 30 days, first examination report is sent to you, okay, and you have time 6 months to the reply for that. And next, then immediately you get the whatever the response, may you get the hearing or you get the patent grant or refuse. That decision comes very short time period. That is the benefit of the expedited examination. So patent application process कैसे होता है? So there are three type of patent application. One is the PCT, where you can go the multiple country including India. There are the convention country, we'd get the 12-month time, and in case of PCT there are 31-month time. Within 31-month time you can go the multiple country. And one is the ordinary application. As I said that if you anything you have idea and you file a provisional specification, you just prevent your priority date. If anyone come after this provisional is this invention is mine, so they did not get the patent, because you have already get a provisional specification or priority date. But you need to file a complete specification within 12 months, okay, and that is the published within 18 months, and then first examination report, and then second you get a time 6 months. You can for the reply you can file earlier also, okay, and if you want to extend 3 months, then you can also extend for 3 months, okay, then second, and after that it is decided by the controller that it is granted or refused. So that is the same thing, I think. And then for any patent, as I said, there are the requirement novelty, inventive step, and industrial use. So what is the novelty? How you judge that your product has the novel? So any individual things, if novel, then that particular, just see here, a device for watering plant having a water containing portion, a handle opening with a lid and a spout. So see, if compare with this A, there is the handle is different kind, okay, they're conical shape. So each element must be the same to lack the novelty. If any element is a new, then your whole product is called the new things, okay. Similarly, if by combining the two document, that is the called the inventive step actually, okay, obviousness for person skill in the art. So what is the inventive step? So anything by combining the two document, if it is obvious that you did not do anything new, both individual are doing separately, just you combine the two things and claim that this is the my new product. So there is the lack of inventive step. There must be any technological advancement, any significant improvement, or any economical beneficial. So that is the or any efficacy. That is the qualification to get the inventive step. So here see, if it is a simple pin, is a simple looking, just fold this thing in this way, there are the technical advancement, okay, there is the economical significant, which are the not obvious for person skill in the art. So there is the qualify for the inventive step, and there is no lack of inventive step, okay. Similarly, here is the some means our office, intellectual property office. There is the one is the management Nagpur, and is the patent office Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai. Similarly, design patent office only in Kolkata, trademark per Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Ahmedabad, and GI tag only get from the Chennai, and copyright only from the Delhi. So these are the offices for different type of the intellectual property, okay. So for anyone, if you want to training and want to make career in this field, like patent agent, okay, you know, want to work make career in this field, and like drafting of patent, okay, so many person required in law firm for drafting of patent, to file a patent. So so many training program is going on this institute. This is the only one institute by government of India, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management in Nagpur. So there are so many paid program, and some freely available program is also going on. So you can contact there and take some training program also. And for any other information, how to file, which form required, you can download form. You can just go ipindia.gov.in. From there you get all the form, all the fee related issue. Okay. And any other information, like you want to know about some other patents, then you also there available search engine. Just I said the IP India means search engine there, yeah, available. So here are the some quiz for the student. Okay, I have made this. You can means unmute your mic and anyone please answer this. So find the, either you can write down in the chat box. Okay, so find the famous trademark. Anyone?
Amul.
Find the famous trademark.
Cadbury, sir.
Okay, I think I have lost the network. Okay, so yes, I think these are the answer. There are the Amul, Pepsi, Tata. Okay, these are the famous trademark. Okay. So second is the find the intellectual property. Okay. So find the intellectual property. First one is protected through the which type of intellectual property? First one is a painting. Okay. So which type of intellectual property is protected? Anyone answer? First one is protected through the copyright. Okay. And second one is protected through the which type of intellectual property?
Geography.
GI tag. Okay. And third one, identify which type of intellectual property. So there is the laptop and mobile phone. Okay, so the screen means their laptop technology is protected through the patent. Okay, the outer look of the this mobile phone or patent is protected through the design intellectual property, and then Apple logo is protected through the trademark. Okay, similarly this Bislery's writing this unique way, which type of intellectual property it is protected? That is the protected through the trademark. Okay. So now this is the last question: how to protect these items? Everyone answer it. How to protect these items? Anyone? Yes, design. Okay, so I think you know the
Design,
which
sir.
type of the product is you can approach to protect by registering or to get a patent, or means to go for patent or design or trademark or copyright or GI tag. Okay, so with this, thank you very much, and at last, I am very much thankful to the principal ma'am, Dr. Nisa Bhargava, for the organizing this event. And I am also thankful to Dr. Indu Arora, Dr. Nitu, Dr. Risu, and Dr. Nisa Daura and Miss Sonali Mendiratta for their coordination and help. And thank you everyone for the listening. So if any question you may ask right now. Okay, if any question related to either you have confusion in the with respect to patents or with respect to design, or you have tried to file any patents, okay, so any question you can ask.
Yes, students, if any question you can ask. You can raise your hands.
Either you write down in the chat box. Okay.
Okay, sir, if there's no question, then I think we should wind up. Thank you so much, sir. That very appropriately justifies the theme of creating awareness about IPR. So you have explained all the minor details regarding basic understanding of IPR in terms of patents and copyrights in a simplified manner so as to reach the level of our students. It is the need of hour that every student, faculty, and researcher should be aware of the technicalities of IPR to secure and protect their original research, ideas, and innovations. I, Dr. Rishu, on behalf of Department of Chemistry and Institution Innovation Cell of our college, express my deep gratitude to Dr. Manoj for putting his valuable time and sincere efforts in delivering this insightful lecture. We will be looking forward for more such interactions with you, sir, in future, and with NEPAM also. I also thank Principal MCMDAV College Chandigarh Dr. Nisha Bhargav, under whose able guidance and broader vision, the Institution Innovation Cell is actively involved in organizing such activities. I thank IIC Vice President Dr. Indu Arora for all guidance in managing this activity. I also thank Dr. Neetu, Convener IIC, for all the support, Dr. Nisha Dabra, Coordinator for IIC, for all the active involvement in conducting this collaborative event, and Ms. Sonali Mendiratta, the second coordinator, for looking at all the technical details of this online lecture. In the end, I would like to thank all the faculty members and their students for showing their active participation in this event. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.